Stop guessing on why your Steam Deck is stuck on the boot logo after an update. This is exactly how you fix it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to wait for hours or reimage your entire drive, which is a total waste of time and deletes all your games for a simple petition error. Before we force the fix, you need to understand the logic, or you'll just get stuck in a boot loop again during the next firmware patch. We are doing this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail this recovery. Here at Rexist, we are the authority on SteamOS system repairs and emergency boot fixes. The reason your deck is stuck is that the update was interrupted, leaving your active boot petition in a half-baked state that the BIOS can't read. You might think your SSD is dead, but SteamOS actually keeps a hidden backup of your previous version just for this reason. Here is the secret trick that other creators missed. You can access a hidden A/B boot menu without any recovery USB or external tools. To fix it right now, hold down the Quick Access menu button. That is the one with the 3 dots, and then tap the power button. Keep holding the 3 dots until you see a special SteamOS menu appear on the screen. From this list, select the option that says Previous or B Partition. This tells the deck to ignore the corrupted update and boot instantly into the last working version of your software. Once you are back in, you can restart the update safely while plugged into a charger to finish the job. If you want the secret to fixing a black screen that happens even after the logo disappears, tell me in the comments right now. The answer is to use the 3-dot boot menu to roll back your OS and stay on the stable channel for a glitch-free experience.